Yes, class 7, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So class 7, we are doing exercise 13.3, right? And we have done till question number 11, right? Yesterday we have done question number 11. So today we will do the question number 13. And the question number 13 is, a wire is in the form of a square of side 27.5 centimeter. It is straightened and bent into the shape of the circle. Find the area of the circle. So class, what is given here? There is a wire. Okay? There is a wire and there is a wire in the form of the square. It is in the form of the square and the side of the square is already given. And you have to find the if the wire is shaped rebent into the shape of circle, then find the area of the circle. Means class, if this is the wire, this is the wire, okay? Firstly, the wire by this wire make a square of side 27.5 centimeter, 27.5 centimeter. Okay. Then again the wire is straightened. अब इस wire को क्या किया गया? Again क्या कर दिया? Straighten. And then rebent into a circle. अब इसको क्या कर दिया गया है? It form a circle. Now you have to find the area of the circle. So class, for finding the area of the circle, we need the square, right? Because we all know that the area of the circle is pi r square. So we need radius of the circle. So how, from where we will get the radius of the circle? So look at here, wire is same, right? The length of wire is always same because this wire is used to form the square and the same wire is rebent and form a circle. That means the length of wire is same, that is perimeter is same. That is what is same? Perimeter is same. So if the perimeter we will get here, the length of wire or perimeter. So from there we will find out perimeter, and perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So from there we will find out the perimeter. And जैसे ही हमें क्या मिलेगा? Perimeter. So we all know that the perimeter is the circumference. So we will find out the radius from the circumference. Okay. Circumference we have given. So circumference means perimeter we have given. So we have to just find out the radius. And जैसे ही हमें radius मिलेगा, we can find out the area of the circle, because area of the circle is pi r square. Okay. Means here you need to understand that the perimeter should be same. So write down the solution. Question number, this is the question number I guess 13, yes. Question number 13. So solution number 13 is, firstly what is given? The side of the square is given. So write down side of the square, and side of the square is what is the side of the square? It's 27.5 centimeter, right? 27.5. Now we have to find the area of the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of a square is 4 into side, right? So we will write here 4 into side, and side is 27.5 centimeter. So it will be 4 5 are 20, 0 to carry, 4 7 are 28, 29 and 1 30, 0 3 carry, 4 to the 8, 9 10 11. That means 110 centimeter. Class, here the decimal is after 1 digit, so we will put the decimal after 1 digit. Okay. So the perimeter will be 110 centimeter. Now perimeter will remain same, right? perimeter तो हमेशा क्या रहेगा? सेम, क्योंकि सेम वायर रहे हैं. So the perimeter will remain same. That means we can say the perimeter of the square is equal to the circumference of the circle. So write down here. Since perimeter of square is equal to the perimeter of circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. So that means circumference of perimeter of square is 110. So 110 is equal to 2 pi r, and circumference is 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r is equal to 110. So we will find the value of r from there. Okay. So it is 110 and it is 22 by 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7 and the radius is r. We will transpose all the digits to the left hand side and r will be there. r यहीं पर रहेगा, बाकी से मेन ट्रांसपोज हो जाएंगे. 110 it will be 2, so it will divide by 2, and 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22. 22 by 7 will transpose and it will become 7 by 22, right? 7 by 22, and this 2 is in multiplication, so it will become a division. So 11 1 is 11, 11 10 is 110, 11 2 is 22, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, right? So 5 into 7 is left in the numerator and 2 is left in denominator. So that means That means 5 7s are 35 by 2 is equal to radius. So we can say radius is equal to 35 पर half कितना होगा, 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 40, 2 5s are 10, 17.5 centimeter. So this is the radius. This is the radius. So now we have found the radius. Now we have to find the area of the circle, right? So area of the circle is pi r square. So we will put the value of r there. So write down area of the circle is equal to pi r square, right class? So value of pi is 22 by 7. So value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius is given 17.5. 17.5 into 17.5. Square means 2 times, right? Now remove the decimal from here, it will become 10. When you remove the decimal from here, it will become upon 10, right? Now 7 is a 7, 7 2s are 14, 3 is left 35, 7 5s are 30. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, right class? So 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15, 2 is left 25, so 5 5s are 25. Everybody know about it, right? How to cancel out numerator and denominator. Now 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35. Only 2 is in denominator and the rest will be cancelled. So now in the numerator there is 11, 25 and 7. So 7 11s are 77 into 25 and in upon there is only. So we will multiply it. So do the multiplication and tell me what will be the answer, class. So it will be 1925. Divide by 2. And when you divide by 2, what will come? 2 1s are 2, right? And 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4.5. So it will be 962.5 centimeter. This is what? This is area of the circle. So it will be centimeter square. So what will be the area of the circle? So area of the circle will be 962.5. Okay. So you are supposed to be write the answer yourself. Okay. So answer will be area of the circle is 962.5 centimeter square. Okay. So class, I think this question is very easy. All the questions are very easy if you know the concept, if you know how to solve it. Okay. So class, this is question number 13 we have done. So tomorrow we will do the next question. Okay. Thank you everyone.